Hello, today is 15th of May 2017 and I would like to say something more about easyMarkets.com. The major feature they offer is deal cancellation. What it means basically that you can, let's say, insure your deal. It doesn't matter if it's for a buy or sell, and if the market will go against you, you can just cancel your deal. And of course, if you would like to insure your deal to be able to cancel it, there is a time range, so you can cancel it only in 16 minutes, and also they will charge you an extra fee. So all in all, when it would make a sense, it would be for a daily trader, or I would say a fundamental trader who is trading a news, let's say Fed interest rates or NFP and etc. Right? So not really for a technical analyst trader. Today is 15th of May, as I already mentioned, and we are going to see Fed interest rate decision in next 40 minutes. And if we would like to place a trade with an insurance, because we would like to have a possibility to cancel our deal. So let's say that we would like to trade with leverage 1 to 200, and of course we would like to have ability to cancel a deal. So we'll push the button on, and what we can see is that the fee will be 125 euros for a trade, which is worth 35,000 euros, so that's invested amount 164 euros 54 cents with a leverage 1 to 200. So really what it means is that to be profitable from this trade, it means that you have to be right. You have to be right, and the move of the market should be at least 600 points, basic points, to cover your expense for deal cancellation, which is valid only for 16 minutes. So all in all, they say that they will insure your deal, your trade, but you will pay almost 100% of the amount you invested. What it means for you? It means for you that you have to expect that the market will move in your favor at least 600 points. And my question is, what's then the point of insuring your deal when you have to be 95% sure that it will go your direction, because you need to cover your expense on insurance, right? So this is complete nonsense, the whole concept of insuring a deal, of deal cancellation, when they are on purpose increase the price of the insurance deal cancellation during the releasing of major fundamental news. So there is no point then for traders to even consider deal cancellation. Why? Of course, that's not a normal price. Normal price is about 10% from your amount in risk when the market is really flat. But what it means for you then? It means for you then that you have to expect at least 10% move in a 10% of 10% to again cover your expense on insurance during the time when the market is really flat, and you have to be able, or the market should move like a 10% or in direction to cover 10% to cover your insurance in 60 minutes. So it's complete nonsense, right? So all in all, this insurance is a nonsense because it's only for 60 minutes, valid only for 60 minutes. And On a flat market, it's 10% charge, and as you can see, when they expect like a new release of the news or of the market news, they will increase premium almost to 100. So really, it doesn't make a sense. It's only just for marketing maybe purpose that they will say, oh, you can cancel a deal, but you're wasting your money and wasting your time trading with this market maker. So my advice is stick with true ECN broker, not a market maker, because even when this market maker offers you a deal cancellation, it's not worth it. Just he's winning probably 95% of the time, I mean, or 90% of the time really, and he's just ripping you off on this insurance then, really. So yeah, that's Euro USD, but even when you would like to speculate that you would like to trade, let's say, S&P 500, that's the same actually. The insurance is very expensive. In normal situation, you would pay, let's say, 16 euros if the market is flat, when there is no expectation of the fundamentals on the market, but they are just ripping you off really. And that's on everything. You would like to trade in US dollars, really. Everything is so expensive now. So there is no point, really. There is no point to consider that you would like to open an account with this market maker because you are a trader who is trading in news and you would like to insure your deal during the releasing its news. No, there is no point of that because it's very expensive and you have to anyway expect that the market will go in your direction to cover the expense on an insurance. So really, you have to consider if it's worth it or not. But from my point of perspective, 90%, it's not just worth it. So thank you for your time. I hope that you enjoyed another video and see you soon.